Google's Nano Banana image generator is out and free. Google's Nano Banana has officially been released. If you have not tried it out yet, I tell you, it does pro-level Photoshop edits in seconds. Every creator, every tech influencer, everyone in the AI space has been talking about it. And the crazy part is, it's absolutely free. The reason everyone has been talking about it is because of its ability to maintain consistency, understand style transfer, and so much more. Whether you're dealing with a person, a product, any object or scene, Nano Banana can do incredible text-based editing that will amaze you. Most AI image editors can barely handle basic edits without completely changing your subject's face or making the lighting look totally wrong. I've been playing with it since its release, and I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with it. There are two ways you can access it for free. One is by going to the LM Arena website. When you get there, make sure that you select Image, upload the image you want to edit, and give it a prompt. Images created on this site will not have any watermark. The second way is by going to the Gemini website at gemini.google.com. Make sure you're using the 2.5 flash mode. You can either drag and drop your image here or click the plus sign and upload files. I uploaded a photo of this woman sitting at a coffee shop and said place woman in a famous landmark in Paris, standing and posing. After a few seconds, this is what it gave me. The very same woman wearing the same sweater and posing. The Eiffel Tower is there, far behind her. I then took this messy, dull-looking family photo and gave it a prompt to turn the photo into a professional-looking studio portrait. And it pulled it off, with about 90 to 95% accuracy. It modernized the couch and made the photo look clean and professional, also making the people sit properly. Now I wanted to see what it would do to this minimalist living room. I asked it to give the room a luxury decoration. We can see that it is still the same room. It kept the couches and the carpet and indeed added luxury decor. Pretty much what one would do when decorating a room. Add pillows, plants, and possibly change the coffee table. With the photo of this woman taking a selfie in the street, I thought, let me ask it to show her in the 1800s. I was not sure what I would get, but hey, it not only changed her, but the whole street and everyone in it. It's like the 1800s. You can see the woman's hair, the men and women in the street, the horse and carriage. Of course, there were no cell phones in the 1800s, so she's not holding anything. I guess Nano Banana thought the color of the image should also match the 1800s. This woman is just sitting at a coffee shop holding a cup of cappuccino. I want to get her to do something different and see if her face will remain consistent. So I thought of having her in the bathroom and holding a face wash product. I uploaded 2 images of the woman and product I want her to hold and gave it a prompt. Woman is standing in the bathroom and holding the product with one hand next to her face, smiling. And here she is, holding the product and wearing the same clothes. Next up, I want to combine 2 people in different scenes into the same scene. I've taken a photo of this woman and man and gave Nano Banana a prompt. Woman and man are walking together holding hands at London Bridge. Look at what it gave. There they are, holding hands and walking together in a very natural way, and even wearing the same clothes. How about I put them together again, this time at a cafe? I said woman and man are having lunch at a cafe, sitting facing each other. We get a side angle of the couple. Their clothing remains consistent. It's even showing the earring that the man is wearing. Now, I want to change the subject's clothing. I'll use the same woman and add an image of a dress and handbag. I'll say, woman is wearing a pink dress and holding a pink handbag and is posing in a photo shoot. The woman is now wearing a pink dress and holding a handbag. This time, I don't think it got her face 100% right, maybe 95%. Another one of Nano Banana's strong features is its ability to colorize images. I uploaded this black and white image and asked it to colorize it, and it honestly did a pretty good job. I want to bring plain images together and create a new scene. So I uploaded an image of this man in this t-shirt on plain backgrounds and said man wearing t-shirt riding bike at the beach during sunset. And here it is. This is really the man, and he's riding a bike during sunset. We can even see where the bike has passed. What if you have an image with a very busy background, but you just want to extract the subject and put in another place? For that, I'll use the image of this woman taking a selfie in a busy street. Even a background remover would have a hard time here. I'll give it a prompt, woman at the park taking a selfie. Have a look at this. It has extracted the woman and placed her at a park. This is amazing, in just a few seconds. One of the hardest things to do when using AI image editors is changing one thing while keeping everything else consistent. I'm going to try that with the image of this woman sitting in her home office. I'll say, woman wearing a green sweater. It only changed the woman's sweater to a green color. Nothing else is changed. I'm going to upload this image again and say, remove the cup of coffee. And done. It removed it, just like that. How about I replace an object? I'll go for replace the laptop with a white cat on the desk and the woman touching the cat. There's the cat, and the laptop is gone. Let me do what most of us like to do, that is, change our backgrounds. I'll use the same image and say, change the background to that of a black and white modern living room. Since it's working with the room that the woman is in, it replaced the bookshelf with the black and white couches and placed the two frames to modernize it. I want to show you how easily you can manipulate facial expressions with this tool. I uploaded a photo of this man and asked it to give him a happy facial expression. It gave him a smile while keeping his look consistent. How about a surprised look? It can handle that too. Next, I said show this man with an angry expression. And that's him right here, all angry. You can see how the man has remained consistent throughout. As I'm showing all these, think about what you can do in your own projects. Lastly, I want to show you their text-to-image tool, so I'll go to Tools and select Create Images. I gave it a prompt, 3D cartoon of a little girl with her backpack going to school waiting at a bus stop. From here, we can prompt it to give us the same girl in a different scene. For now, I'll say little girl sitting in class. And here is the image. It pulled it off. This comes in handy for those who want to create films or animations with consistent characters. We don't just have an image editor. Nano Banana AKA Gemini 2.5 Flash is what we've been waiting for. The possibilities are endless. And since it's free, there's no reason not to try it right now. Hit subscribe for more AI tools that are changing everything.